Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2014 Dodge Charger RT. This is the 100th anniversary car, stone white with black leather interior. It's a special edition. It's got an 8.4 screen. It's got a backup camera. It's also got navigation, 2 power seats, has a sunroof, seating for 5, 20-inch tires and wheels, 4-wheel disc anti-lock. As you can see, it has the spoiler on the back. The RT model. This is a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle, has Bluetooth for your cell phone. This car is a one-of-a-kind because it is an anniversary edition. You need to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins. It is after the 4th of July, and pricing is as if 4th of July is every day.